guys, it's Katie and welcome back to the vlog channel. Today we're gonna be DIYing our Halloween costumes. Me, Jamie, and Avery are gonna be Bratz dolls for Halloween. We spent all afternoon shopping for our outfits. We went to Target, Old Navy, Forever 21, H&M, Papaya, all these stores, and we finally found stuff to make our Bratz doll Halloween costumes. So we are doing like colorful skirts with then tassel skirts on top that we ordered off of Amazon, with then white tank tops with the Bratz logo on. This is the base of the outfit, is the skirt with this top, and then we got this transfer paper from Joann's.
3 tries.
I know. We only have 3 tries, one for each of us, to transfer the Bratz logo onto the boobies. Avery's is black with silver tassels, Jamie is pink with pink tassels, and mine is blue with blue tassels. We need to do the Bratz.
Make a cookie.
Oh guys, they make cookies in culinary class. Yeah. You said they weren't good. Why do you deserve another one? Here, have a cookie.
Wait, ASMR.
I'm scared of that.
Dude, these ones are better because they're thicker.
I made heart-shaped ones. Those aren't good. These ones are good. Y'all, we're trying to find the Bratz logo. Avery has downloaded like 7.
Invalid BS.
Why does it look like that?
There's a lot going on.
What did you do?
Oh. Avery's really focused. Avery, your posture.
I have kyphosis.
Who put Avery in charge of this?
Y'all did.
Thumbnail.
Look at how nasty Katie is. She put her Why?
I do that all the
That
time.
is disgusting.
I just know this is
POV.
a bad angle.
POV.
So it's 3:30 and Avery had to leave to go to practice because she has comp practice. We just realized we don't have colored ink in my printer. So that's most definitely a problem for our costumes, considering people are only gonna know what we are if we have the Bratz logo on and not if it's in black and white. Jamie is gonna stay here and do school with me. I have a meeting with my manager at 4. We're gonna figure out where to print in color or if we can go get ink. And then Avery's gonna come back and we're gonna iron the thing on our chests for our shirts. I don't know, this costume is so last minute and so all over the place. Also, they said our school might get canceled for tomorrow, and tomorrow we're supposed to take the PSAT, but there's very bad weather out right now, like a tornado or a tropical storm or something. I have no idea. I'm gonna do my online classes and then get on a call in a little while. Ooh, that's a little blurry.
I did homework while Katie was on a business meeting.
Yeah, it's 5:10. I just got off my business call and Jamie was grinding homework in the background on my bed. Jamie bought these new sweatpants at Old Navy today when we were looking for Halloween stuff. But we are currently trying to text my neighbors and Jamie's family friends
Best friends.
to see if we can use their colored
I've
printer.
known them since like birth.
Because I have no ink in mine. So we really need to print this Bratz doll logo.
Do we have the transfer paper?
Yes, I put it over there, the transfer paper. And we only have 3 shots. And then Avery gets back from practice in less than an hour, so she's gonna help us iron it and cut our shirts, or maybe we're folding them over. I'm not quite sure. We still need to wait for the tassel skirts to come in for like the final look, but y'all will see it eventually. But my call was really good. I have some homework to do, but I'm just gonna do that later. I'm also very tired. Oh, I forgot. We got no school tomorrow. There is apparently like a hurricane or a tropical storm.
It's a hurricane.
It is? There's a hurricane coming through Georgia.
It's a really bad one.
So our school got canceled for tomorrow, like I told you I hoped it would. So no PSAT. Yeah. And tomorrow's Avery's birthday. We're celebrating her on Friday at Jamie's house, but since there's no school tomorrow, we'll probably go out for birthday lunch, which is very exciting. Saturday is our Halloween get-together. Wow, this is gonna be a fun weekend. That's so exciting. Oh, we also have a bye week this week for our football game, so there's no cheer vlog. Here we are. We got our Bratz logos on the transfer paper. It only took like 10 minutes at the neighbors' houses, and it's gonna go right there across the boobies. So once Avery gets back from practice, we will be ironing them. But Katie doesn't have an iron.
So either we're gonna have to, I'll probably text Avery's mom.
Yeah. We're gonna text Miss Angie and see if she has an iron. We are literally texting everybody. Today has been a day full of people helping us figure out our Halloween costume. Miss Jen, Miss Angie, me, my mom. I just got an Amazon package. I already know what it is, but I figure I'd do an unboxing for you guys. Wow, it's exactly what I expected. More dry shampoo. I ran out. This is the best one I've ever tried.
Is it the one that smells good?
Yes. The one. Yes. The Dove Care Volume and Fullness Dry Shampoo. This is like $5.
Not Spons?
Not Spons. I wish. It smells so good and it does good, and it doesn't make your hair like white. Like, it works really well. So get this one. It's linked in my Amazon shop what I shop. Shop what I shop on Amazon if you want to get the same dry shampoo as me. So we have a P.O. box package. I get a lot of stuff to my P.O. box like daily. It's so fun, but it's so hard for me to like sit down and go through all of it because I want to read it all. But oh my gosh.
I'll read them to you in a funny voice.
Nails! Hold on, let me read this. Hi Katie, I'm a small business owner and I'm sending you some products to promote on your YouTube. I love watching your YouTube videos and your inspiration. I hope you like my products. Okay, her Instagram is glossy_Natalia. And she said, fake nails. I'm gonna put these on after cheer season. Scrunchy!
Hello! Little thing.
Fruits! There's fruits in the lip gloss. Oh.
Why don't we both just get so, wait, maybe it tastes lemony.
Yellow.
Wait, what is it? What does it taste like?
This is exciting. Thank you so much. Wait, oh my gosh. Oh, that's so exciting. Look at the bottom right corner.
Holy mother Jesus.
Under that tutu? Yeah.
All of that?
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I mean to open, but it's just hard for me to get to everything. Thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it. I will be putting these nails on after cheer season. Jamie's going through all my P.O. box stuff right now because y'all know I love opening it. Someone sent me this grub bracelet, which is so cute.
This is their Instagram.
Okay, what is it? M&M necklaces, right?
Yeah.
M&M! That's what it is. And she sent me the cutest earrings. I love these lightning bolt ones, and I will be wearing those very soon.
I'll take these off your hands.
Yeah, thank you so much. These are the sweetest. We're gonna keep opening up this stuff because I did not realize how much, there is so much. This is so fun. And y'all know I keep literally all of them. Like, I have an entire closet dedicated to it, but I'm gonna need another earring drawer. Let's start another one. This one's way too packed. This one's perfect. Okay. Oh yeah. Not even 2 seconds later, Jamie shows me this mask company. Let me shout them out. Reese and Michaela at Maskable. Their Instagram is Maskable Official, and they sent me.
It looks really good quality.
It's so thick and so nice. Cow print mask. I will be wearing this to school tomorrow. Oh, we don't have school tomorrow. I love it. You guys know my love for cow print. Oh my god. Thank you so much for this mask. I love it so much, and I will be wearing this to school. Maskable. Follow them on Instagram. This is officially a P.O. box haul. Maya's bracelets just sent my custom Katie bracelet. These are so cool. Like, she hand crocheted this or something.
If my toes are in that, I'm literally gonna start crying.
Your toes are not in it.
Don't show my
Maya's dot bracelets. Oh my goodness. Look, you know how much time this takes to make? I'm gonna put one of these on with my grub bracelet. Also, shout out, where's that girl?
Can I get one?
You want a Catesters beanie? Jamie's wearing the Catesters beanie. Shop down below, link down below. So many people bought them. Really? So many people bought them. I'm so excited about it. This sweet girl sent me a Starbucks gift card, which no subscriber has ever sent me a Starbucks gift card, and her name is Annabelle. She wrote it right here. Thank you so much, Annabelle. I already loaded it into my Starbucks app, and I can tell you I'll be getting some Starbucks tomorrow. That's so sweet. No one's ever sent me a gift card. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. The pile just keeps on growing. The scrunchie.
I'm having the time of my life.
These were my childhood.
No, yeah, are we too old?
What are they called? They're just like worms, right? Oh.
You get them from Learning Express.
Yes. Look at the worm. And then it unravels this clear string. The fact that people know me so well enough to send me worms.
Wait,
it's so scary.
You gotta squirt them over like your ear.
Allie, thank you so much if you sent these. If not, I still thank you because you sent me something. These are so fun. Oh my gosh. Oh, and whoever sent this, I'm literally putting this on my car. You know the little, what's it called? Your mirror? Oh my God, I'm putting it right there. People are so talented. I wish I was talented at this kind of stuff. Guys, I just taped all the worms to my fan. This looks so ridiculous. We're gonna see if they can withstand. Okay, we're gonna start on low. Oh. What are they? No! Should I put it on the fastest speed? Oh my gosh. Ready? Upgrade. The worms are flying. Oh, they're gonna fling and hit us in the face. So we're headed to Avery's to print these Bratz logos onto our white tank tops that we got from Forever 21. Iron them, because Katie doesn't have an ironing board. And look, the worm.
That's my worm.
His name's Jeremy. The rest of them are on my fan, so it's okay.
Let me clean my room.
Is that a wig?
Yes, that's the blue wig I bought her for her birthday last year. Why do you have it out? Oh, how y'all doing? I don't think your room has been in my vlog since January when we got ready for the party. Dang, it's been so long. Carpe diem, seize the day. Is that like Spanish or something?
It's Latin and it's a camp phrase.
Oh, is this hot?
No, it's not plugged in though. It will be hot.
Moment of truth. It's working.
Gentle if you say it.
Gentle.
Have the patience for that.
Gentle.
Put it on, put it on,
put it on.
It looks so good.
Wait, that's so exciting.
We ironed them on and it looks really good. They all turned out really well. And Avery's gonna try it on what we have so far so we can get a little sneak peek. It worked and we did the transfer paper right and I'm really proud. And now that we know this, we can make so many custom shirts.
True.
That's so fun to me.
Oh my god,